Oh my. I wanna hold you when I'm not supposed to, when I'm lying close to someone else. Like I wanna be like most girls. I wanna be like
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Stephanie and welcome to my channel. And if you guys have already been here, hi, welcome back. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you ended up liking it, and don't forget to hit that notification bell before you leave. But let's get started with this video. So today I'll be talking about this subscription box that is $10 a month if you guys are interested or new to this type of subscription. I am new to it. This is my first subscription from this specific brand or company. It's $10 a month and it's called Birchbox. So it says, and it comes in this packaging, and then I'll show you guys what's inside. So what's inside is this little box right here, and it says Birchbox, and then it says yes, it says Birchbox again. It just says a whole bunch of the Birchbox logos, and it also comes with this paper here, and it's just talks about like an item description and something, I don't know, some like weird stuff. Anyways, so what's in here? Okay. Yeah, so because right now I think it's still going on, I'm not sure, but when I subscribe to it, if you subscribe for the Birchbox, I think for that month that I subscribed for, you would get the Bang by Benefit mascara. So that's what it's saying, that it came with this. So yeah, I got the Bang mascara. I have tried it before. My mom got it in an Ipsy bag, I think, and I have tried it because she didn't want it. So it is really good. So I really like this lengthening type of mascara. So that's cool that I have another one now that I can actually try. So that's what that paperwork was talking about. So now I am going to flip this camera around so you guys can see what I got in this box. We're about to open it and find out what we got. Okay, let's get into this box. Okay guys, so like I showed you, I got this Bang by Benefit mascara, and now we're gonna open this box. And I know that these are, I know the Ipsy is supposed to be like, you know, you got the little bags, and this was, you're supposed to get a cute little box. So let's see what the decoration on this box is. It's a little hard to open, but I guess that's good. Okay, here. Let's see. Let me see if I can open this box and then I'll show you guys what it opens. Okay guys, so I opened it on 4 sides. So let's see. Oh man, it's cute. It's a cute little box. So this is what it says. It says, take a beautiful chance. And then today anything is possible, purpose and passion. You are you are entirely up to you. And this is what the bottom is, just like a cream color, and it says magic inside. So let me sit down. Okay, so I'll get my shadow. So let's open this baby up. Okay, so this is what's inside. So the first thing, we get this little flyer. It says, hello, 2019. From Birchbox newbies, hi to longtime friends. And then it just says here about update your beauty profile, pick a sample, and get 10% back in points. And then you review your samples and all that stuff. And then it talks about what I got and how much they it cost. So this is basically all I got right here. So let's see. Okay, so this is this little sample. And it's a blush serum, so it's like a liquid blush. And let's see if we can see the color. I don't know. Okay, it's the color Sunrise, and it's from this brand right here. So this one is this one right here. So this a full size cost about $16, and it says what it has is this lightweight water-based blush gives your cheeks a healthy flush while nourishing your skin with apricot seed and vitamin E oil. So that's pretty cool. I will definitely give this a try and let you guys know what I think about all these things. And I got this, a New Age 8-in-1 Power Serum. And then this is supposed to be applied in the morning and at night alone or under makeup. Okay, well that's pretty cool. And this one is a New Age, is $37 a full size, and it's a lightweight peptide packed gel. Starts to work in just 1 week. It fills fine lines, lifts and firms all the whole, boosting radiance and improving skin texture. So that's pretty cool because I am getting a little bit of fine lines on my forehead, so that's gonna work really good. And then there's this one. It says let's get naked, and it's a frizz fighter, so for your hair, and it's your use before you blow dry or create a breathable protective barrier against heat. Used frequently to help retain natural sheen and strength, fights frizzy hair, and by sealing the ends. Okay, helps condition and repair hair and enhances shine and promotes bounce. UV sunscreen for longer lasting hair. Well, that's pretty good. So that one is TLW brand Let's Get Naked Frizz Fighter. The full size is $20. And it's supposed to smooth out frizz, hydrate, and protect your hair with the paraben-free, keratin-infused hair serum. Apply a few pumps to mid-lengths and ends, then style as usual. Well, this doesn't have a pump, so you just kind of like squirt this and put it in your hair. So I will let you guys know how this is as well. I'll probably do another video of reviewing my Birchbox samples and see how I liked all these things. Okay, so next we've got this. It's an eyeliner. Yeah, the Ico. Oh no, it's a brow liner in the color medium, shape and define, and it's a water resistant liquid brow color. So let's read about this one. So it's a brow liner in the color medium. Full size is $20. This waterproof brow liner fills in bare spots and defines each hair to make arches appear naturally fuller. Apply short strokes from the start of your brow and move outward. So right now I'll give you guys a little swatch of this, and then what is this? Oh, it's a MAC Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash. So I'll probably do also a review with all these things, since these I can't really swatch, but I'll swatch these for you guys so you can see. And then, but I'll open the applicator so you guys can see the applicator on this one. And this is in the color, I think black, I'm pretty sure. So this is the MAC Cosmetics in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara. The full size is $24, and then one lashes that are dimensional as you are. Swipe on and clump free carbon black mascara that lengthens, conditions, and defines each lash. So that's pretty cool. I think I got a pretty good amount of like makeup and like skincare and stuff for your hair. So that's pretty cool. You know, it's pretty well balanced. You know, some things that will work for your face and your eyes, and then this a serum for your fine lines, and then like I said, this is for your hair. And like I said, I will try to see if you guys can still get this one if you sign up. I will let you guys know down in the description maybe, or just shoot me a comment and I'll let you guys know for sure. But yeah, this is what it looks like, you guys. This is what the little box looks like. Pretty cute, right? I thought it was awesome. So let me just open these up so you guys can see what they look like and the swatches. It comes out like this, and then I'm gonna swatch this so you guys can see it. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like when you first apply it, and then I'm just gonna move it with my finger. So it's pretty pink, if you guys can tell, but it does blend pretty good. You guys can see right there. I'll show you a closer look right now. So it does pretty, I mean, my hand looks so pink, but it's a cute little blush, I think. And I'm pretty sure I added too much. I added a big blob, so be careful because it is pretty liquidy. And if any of you guys are like, you know, only use cruelty free makeup, this is cruelty free. See if it'll focus right there. I don't think, yeah, right there, cruelty free, and it's good for 12 months. So yeah, I think it's pretty good. Sorry if I can't give you a good swatch. Like, trying my best, but yeah, it's pretty dry now. But yeah, I think it's a cute rosy color. Like I said, I think it's probably because I added too much. But yeah, let's get into these now. So this one is the brow liner. Yeah. Okay, so this is the brow liner. Let's see, that's what it looks like right there, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So that's what it is. It just looks like a regular eyeliner, but it's for your brows. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it probably right. I'm trying to see if you guys can see me swatching it. Oh wow, it's like very... Okay, so it's pretty water-based. It is pretty light, if you guys saw my first swatch right there, and then a few more applications. So it's not very, you know, you don't get a lot of product coming out, which is, I guess, is good if you're trying to, for your brows, but you can definitely build it up. See? And then you can probably do your little hairs like that as much as you want. So it's good. I like it. I think it's pretty good. And I will definitely try these out. This one out on my eyebrows to see how they look. Okay, so now we're gonna do the MAC Extreme, and I'm just gonna show you guys the applicator so you guys can see. So that's what the applicator looks like right there. See if I can take the excess off. So it's just like that, just like your pretty normal mascara applicator. And then that's the MAC one. And I'll let you guys know as well how that looks in the lashes. And then I'm going to open this Benefit one so you guys can see the applicator on this one. It's really cute packaging, as you guys can have already probably seen in other videos or online, Instagram, or when it came out. So this applicator is a little smaller, and you guys see that the bristles are much shorter than the ones from the MAC one. So it's pretty sure that's what the difference on the lashes that you're gonna get. And this applicator is also a little bit more flexible. I did see that, and a little bit softer than the MAC one, but it doesn't mean anything. I mean, they're supposed to get different results with it, so it's probably why. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really liked the stuff that I got from my Birchbox. And I thought it was super cute, and I thought all the stuff that I got were pretty good. I think they covered really good in the hair, skincare, and makeup department. I feel like it wasn't all just skincare and all just hair and all just makeup, which was pretty good. I really liked the little samples that I received. If you guys have a Birchbox subscription, let me know what you guys got. If you guys got anything like me or something very similar, you guys let me know down below. I will try to see if you guys can still receive this one for free for signing up at the Birchbox right now for their monthly stuff. But yeah, like I said, this subscription is $10 a month. If you guys want to, you guys can totally go ahead and go to birchbox.com if you like it, and let me know if any of you guys have this subscription and what do you guys think about it. It is my first time using them, so I guess we'll see how this how it goes and all that stuff. But like I said, I will try to review those products and see how I liked them. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you ended up liking it. Share it with all your friends and family and hit the notification bell so you guys are notified when I have a new video up and you never miss a video. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.